Meaning of fecal.
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 Fecal. Fecal refers to anything related to feces, which is the bodily waste material that is eliminated from the digestive system. The term can be used to describe the physical characteristics and properties of feces, as well as any medical conditions or tests related to fecal matter. Fecal matter can vary in color, consistency, and odor, and changes in these characteristics can indicate different health issues. Medical professionals may examine fecal matter for signs of infection, digestive disorders, or other health concerns. Proper disposal and sanitation of fecal matter is important to prevent the spread of disease.